Thank you.
So what was your best part of the event?
The best part of the event is putting people in the proper perspective of, analyzing Oguta culture and traditions as per my topic, which I presented. And I'm one of the rare persons that holds Oguta tradition. And I'll be the last person to be here and be insulted by truncating Oguta tradition and culture. I will not. I came all the way from far away for this occasion because of this, and I will not just waste my time and energy and come here, somebody will truncate it. So what we are discussing here is to make Oguta proud. Put it the way it has been. They laid the foundation. Like as of today, we the youth, we the middle-aged ones, we the aged ones, cannot rewrite Oguta culture and tradition apart from the way it was the beginning, from our forefathers and predecessors. So that is the notion, that is the actual thing that we're here. And moreover, like as I concluded, I give kudos to the organizers of this event. They all tried upon their money, upon their physical appearance, upon every other effort being sunk into this. We are grateful for that, and I pray God and our ancestors to bless each and every of us that will grace the occasion.
Can you officially tell us your name?
My names are
And your title?
Tony. Yes, they address me because I'm a title holder. I'm Chief Tony Osi Okorafu. That's my name, alias Ezengamad. Enyowoma.
In line with your topic and the fact that a lot of youth these days are forgetting cultures and traditions.
Right.
Cultures and traditions are dying
Right.
in society.
Right.
Do you have any specific advice you have for the youth?
The youths,
Yes.
the youth should emulate the procedure, the precedence, how it has been done. Look at, just have a rethink. The youth should have a rethink. Look at their elders. Look at their fathers. Unless your father is a recastrant, unless your father is a thief, that is where a youth can be a thief. But if your father stands by righteousness, cleanliness, outspokenness, condemn the condemnable, you should emulate that. For example, you don't allow peer pressure to overpower you. It's never done. It's never done. Kill to the in Oguta, in particular. I'm not speaking another outside, and that is why I'm more or less a traditionalist who knows the needs, everything that makes an Oguta man an Oguta man. If you come to Oguta now, we have citizenship, we have indigenous people. Do you understand me? So we know every family in Oguta. We know every village in Oguta, with every kindred, with every clan. So if a child is behaving awkwardly, what an Oguta man will say, Obungonye. If the father or mother is like that, say, it's their way. It's their way. When we are coming up, there was a certain teacher from Ungewu. We call him Teacher Luke Sharp. So in the sacred art of those days, when you don't talk in or you behave anyhow, you just ask you, come here. You from which village? You mention your village, you say, no wonder. So we make a character, but you want you to dress fine. So any child that want to be good must look at the parents. Unless the parents are condemnable before the public, we know them. There are so many incidents that happen now. Somebody spoke and say by so and so time you see children carrying babies, this and that, pregnancy and this and that. Fine. In this modern time, it happens in other clients, but they curtail it and they do. How do we train? How do you come? As this thing goes to the children, it goes to the parents equally. Take care of the children, groom them, teach them what to do, tell them what is right, and embrace right. There will be no failure. Everybody will be happy.
I am Mr. Ikemefuna Ohanyere. I'm from Oguta. And actually, I am the chairman of Oguta Community Development Union, Abuja branch.
So being the chairman and one of your branch was able to bring together a great celebration today, how does that make you feel?
I am so happy. Not that I am able to do, because I'm not happy that I'm able to do it. I am happy that my people were able to come together as one people today to celebrate Oguta. And I have able executive members and able Oguta people who, for the sake of love, we love ourselves so much. We know how to celebrate ourselves. That was why we had to gather together today and honored some notable individuals who had contributed in one way or the other to develop individuals in Oguta too, which in generality is developing the entire Oguta society.
All right, sir. Being the OCD chairman, apart from this convention, I've heard that OCD involving a lot of projects. So do you have any that is aimed at the youth? Because a lot of things were said about improving the youth and their outreach to life.
Yes. While we were planning this convention and end of year celebration, like you had the chairman of the organized committee say that incidentally conventions have been believed to be a national thing. But convention actually is the gathering of one or two people to talk about a certain issue and deduce from the contributions of each and everybody to arrive at a certain conclusion. That's basically what convention is. When people meet together, they discuss issues, bordering issues, okay? So we felt we had to sit together and discuss issues concerning Oguta. Like the first person said, a lot of things have started to happen in Oguta on the other side. We used to have Oguta that used to be a one Oguta town, where those days when we were kids, you can wake up in Oguta and sleep at Wuku, maybe where your mother is from or where your auntie is married to. Nobody would be worried that you hadn't come back home. Only they send message, you are so person, so place. So he came in today and he has eaten and he has slept off. Nobody got worried about anything happening to anybody. We had very good, what I could say it, very good outings those good old days. As we are growing up, I think civilization started coming and life started changing, you know. But that notwithstanding, we still had to find a way of being that Oguta people we actually are, you know. So that was why we tried to identify with one or two or three or about 10 people we are giving our award today, and we had what they said. They succeeded in developing individuals, homes, and their families. Like myself, one of the recipients brought me to Abuja and gave me a job. And today I'm a director in the Federal Civil Service. You can imagine how long I've been in service. And that individual is still alive today. So is it not something to be proud of? Like one of the people said too, that he was able to do that because his boss, you know, gave him the opportunity. So we are one people, we love ourselves. So we want to start in a way of re-engineering our youth, younger ones, to understand that Oguta is a place where whatever thing you have to reach out to your brother, how to reach out to your sister, and so that everybody will be able to enjoy what the next person has.
All right, you just answered have a question for my mind, because my next question would have been, because you have mentioned a lot of celebrate ourselves and support each other. So I initially wanted to ask you one situation or one occasion where somebody has been there for you, somebody in Oguta, and it has made a difference in your life.
Yes, yeah, like I said, if everything, every time, give everything to God. But when somebody said, "Come and give you your identity, give you a job," He has given you an identity. I am one of those recipients. So I probably say I am from Oguta. So what I am today, that woman, that lady, our auntie Angela Lucas gave me a system to get job appointment in the Federal Civil Service. So and she was honored today. So I think I need to be grateful to her and every other person whom she assisted today joined us to honor her. Quintus was honored. Dr. Barrister Emeka Okorafor was honored. I know people he helped. Sly Nwakuche helped a lot of people, still helping them up till now. Chukwu Kochije has been helping people. In fact, we already promised us a project in Oguta. So is it whom are we going to leave out? Nobody. So we are all in it. Maybe in my time someone may come to honor me too. You never can tell. Everybody here we have to be honored them. We have to honor them because we are one way or they are contributing to the existence of others in Oguta. Professor Ifeanyi Ozuzoka is not in Nigeria, but through his advocacy, he has been helping our youth. May Annie is not here, but her advocacy has been gone so wide that people are hearing about Oguta everywhere through her channel, concerned citizens. Imuzokwe is there, so everybody. So we are proud that we are from Oguta. We have one slogan. Onyahala one. I've not seen anywhere an Oguta man will be that won't identify with Oguta.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.